Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. So it is Sunday the 11th of April and we're going to talk about some digital coupons that showed up on your Walgreens account this morning, and you should load them right away at the very least if they're good for a deal in May. As you see, this one is valid till May the 23rd. A lot of these they have a really long expiry date. So look for this in your digital coupons folder of your Walgreens account. App, do it on a desktop computer, what have you. So the first one that we're going to look at is a 6 off of 3, and this is off of the 4 counts. And it's valid till May the 23rd. Obviously, we don't have a deal to go with that this week. I think the goofy one in the ad is like a 9 count CHARMIN, which is a weird amount. And then we have this. This is this week's deal. And as you can see, it says 9 equals 36. But who knows? Maybe we'll be able to scan, and one of them will attach or not. But they have a really long expiry date, so at the very least, load them. Look at the top left-hand corner. It says only for you, meaning only certain card members will get this one when it's there. So don't be too disappointed if you don't get it, but if you get it, it's a fantastic coupon to have. Okay, the next only for you is a $2 off of a multi-pack of puffs. So what is this usually, like $4 or $5? So, I mean, that's some tremendous savings, and that's valid right till the 23rd. Now, this is a coupon for everybody. It's a 50-cent off of Scott. So that little deal I had for $3.75, it would jump it down to $3.25 for a 12-pack of the Scott toilet paper. Cottonelle, we have $1, also a very generous coupon. And as you can see, it's valid till the 24th. So you got like a week or so to play with that one. Okay, and now we have a 5 off of 2 for the Olay, and unfortunately, I don't think there's a deal to pair with this week, but I might go through the tags at the store or look for some clearance or figure something out, because that's a very generous coupon, and it's only valid this week. We have the 3 off for Persil, again, only valid this week, but so much clearance detergent and stuff, so I don't know, I just loaded this one on a hope and a prayer that maybe something might show up. Okay, and now we have a $2 off for Kellogg's. This one's valid till May the 2nd. Yeah, they usually have some sort of a deal every other week for, at least the Frosted Flakes. So maybe we can make a deal with that one. So that is a fantastic coupon. We have this $2 off. I had a little matchup for 2 deodorants with IBOTTA, and then there's a $4 register reward when you buy 2. So with this, there's going to be a little bit of extra savings. So definitely load this if you plan on doing the deodorant deal that I had in my matchups video last Friday. And then also we have this 3 off of 2 for the Suave. This is valid till the 24th. I know that there's some very inexpensive Suave products, so we'll definitely have to scan in store to see if this attaches. It might make these items really dirt cheap. And then we also have the $4 off for the Chic Women's. So yeah, I've been looking for this coupon for the last couple of weeks, so I'm very delighted to see it. And so if you like the Chic line, you might want to load this one as well. And then I was talking about this in the Friday video, the $4 off for the Fructis and the $4 off for the Whole Blends. Both of those are loadable along with the Garnier hair dye. There was a $2 coupon. Sorry guys, I didn't take a picture of it, but load that one too if you wanted to do the spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. $2 for this Wet One hand sanitizer. It's priced at $4.99 online. As you can see, top left-hand corner, it's an only for you. So, not every store card will get it, but maybe this stuff will go on clearance by July because it's valid till July the 5th. So that's a really long date. And then these smaller one, $1 off. It's another only for you. I think it's because I was buying so much hand sanitizer that they're like, we're going to give this lady some hand sanitizer coupons. And it's $1 off. So definitely load this one too. Now this is kind of unexplainable because I don't really buy a lot of diapers. I guess I did a couple months back. But the Ninjamas, a 5 off of 2, and this one again is only for you, but if you're a parent and you do buy diapers over at Walgreens, I'm pretty sure that this stuff will start popping for you. I think I bought some clearance diapers a couple months back. That's probably why. And then we have a $4 off of a box of Pampers. It's a very generous coupon and it's valid till May the 1st. And then we have a 6 off of 3 for the Pampers Easy Ups, and there's always a deal every other week for that. So at the very least, load it. This guy is valid till May the 1st. Okay, guys, so I did make a video yesterday about a lot of detergent and stuff with orange stickers hitting 90% off over at Walgreens yesterday. It started on Saturday, and I know that as I predicted, within a 24-hour span, I think this is going to be completely cleared. This is stuff that even an average shopper would want. all of it if they saw the clearance sticker price. So if you can get in on it, absolutely. At a couple stores I visited, stuff wasn't even tagged, but it was bringing up 90. So ask the cashier for a little bit of help. They have to scan it for you at the front. You can't do it through an app, or you can't do it through BrickSeek. But if you do see these orange stickers on different cleaning products, don't be shy to ask the cashier for a price check. And when I was out and about yesterday, I did see more cell phones at different stores that I haven't been visiting. And we have this Verizon phone for $4.99. I didn't buy it though. And the 1 hour energy for 61 cents at 90% off. Look through the energy drink aisle, lots of stuff at 90. And also feminine care, also a lot of stuff hit 90 yesterday as well. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Load all of these digital coupons. Bye, guys.